What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, Splassive. If you did not know, I made a video about Splassive, I want to say like a week or 2 weeks ago, and it was doing great. I'm not gonna lie, Splassive was paying out some good 2% daily. If you don't know what Splassive is, it is a drip fork, but instead of 1% every day, it pays out 2% every day. So obviously I'm looking at it, I'm like, yo, this looks pretty sexy. So obviously I put money in it, and then after I have money in for a little bit, I kind of tell you guys about it. And literally, like, I want to say like a couple days after that, they had an exploit, and somebody ran off with a bunch of the money and sold it and dropped the price all the way down from $30 all the way down to I think like $1 or $2 or something crazy like that. You know what I'm saying? I was sad, I was crying, I was in my mama's bedroom asking her, can I get some money? I'm capping. It really, you know what I'm saying? Being in crypto and DeFi for so long has made you kind of numb to a lot of these things. You kind of expect 70% of the projects that you go into to not last over 2 months. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, in this video, I'm going to give you guys an updated version of Splassive. I did end up taking down the video because I did not want people to watch the video then put money in it, because I'm still kind of shaky about it. I'm still not going to put a link or nothing like that to it. I'm just giving y'all an update on my thoughts on it and like where it's at right now. But like I said, if you're excited for this video, make sure you smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? If you're in Splassive right now, we in this together. You know what I'm saying? And without further ado, man, let's just hop right into this. Wait, before we do, I gotta tell y'all something. I just released my ebook. Literally, it's a free ebook. I said it right, Free. Free. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm coming out with a course very soon. The course is called CryptFi. It is, I call it the Crypto and DeFi Academy of Financial Freedom. You know what I'm saying? We got academies out here to teach y'all about that crypto and DeFi that'll lead you to financial freedom. But the course will be dropping next month. I highly suggest you guys go to the website and download the ebook. It is very informative. It's a quick read. It's completely free. You know what I'm saying? Also on the website, you can go put your email in, and you'll be notified whenever the course is dropping. But there's a special bonus if you put your email in and you buy it. When I email like about it, it'll be a pre-sale. You'll get a huge, a super fat, a Donkey Kong thick discount. Why'd I say Donkey Kong? But you'll get a fat discount. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I highly suggest you go to the website. It'll be inside the link inside the description. It'll also be inside the comments. And y'all know about my Patreon already. I don't gotta say much. No, Patreon.com/Joovier. We got the best calls out here. Be making people billions and trillions of dollars. This is cap. I didn't make anybody $1 billion, but I have made people a great amount of money. I've made myself a great amount of money. So if you want to be part of that community, Patreon.com/Joovier. You know what I'm saying? But let's hop into this video. Boom, boom, boom. Splassive. You know what I'm saying? Splassive. It's on the Avalanche network. I told you guys it is a drip fork. But if we scroll down to this chart, we're at $9 a pop. I'm actually not even sure how much it was when I first bought in it. I feel like it was at like 40, 50. Was it at like $40, $50? I'm very curious. Actually, let me go here really quickly. Do they even have it on CoinMarketCap? They should. Oh, they don't. Well, I think it was around like $40 or $50, but now it is at $9. The low point of it was around $3 after the exploit. $1, $2, or $3. So it was very low. That's all I'm saying. It was very, very low. But I told you guys in that video that I only put I think like $2,500 into it. Or how much did I put? Yeah, like $2,500 into it. And I told you guys I was going to put more money in. And, you know, I just want to say something. You know what I'm saying? God be working in mysterious ways. I was literally about to put more money into it, but Binance was Coinbase was holding my funds. It would not let me transfer the money to put it into my MetaMask account to therefore go put it into Splash. I was going to put an extra $5,000 in there, literally like 3 or 4 days before the exploit happened. So I did not ever get the chance to put more money in there. So I didn't put that money in there. Obviously, I would have lost a big percentage of it. So, like I said, God be working in mysterious ways. Thank you, Coinbase, for taking a long time because you freaking suck. But anyways, Coinbase don't suck. It's just not my favorite thing in the world. But so I did not end up putting more money in here. I do have money still staked in here. If we look at the deposits, I have 166 Splash in here as of right now. I do have some Splash available because I didn't even realize, but after like the whole exploit thing, they kind of shut down the website. They did a whole V1 to V2 migration, all of that. But you were still earning rewards as it was going, and I never even realized that. You know what I'm saying? So this was stacking up money while I was while it was being exploited, which is kind of cool, I guess. I got an extra $434 that I'm probably never going to claim. I'll probably just claim it and airdrop it to everybody that's on my team. I have 65 people on my team right now, so I might just airdrop all of it in a second, but that's not really what this video is about. This video is really about me kind of updating you guys on my thoughts with Splassive. What I'm going to do with it moving forward. I'm not going to be putting more money into it right now, at least. The price is kind of climbing back up. It started at like $2 or $3 on V2, and now it's back up to $9. Actually, it might have started a little higher than that, but anyways, it's not completely tanking. Usually after like an exploit or a V1 and V2 merge, the price just steadily goes down and completely crashes, and everybody cries and sells their houses and goes broke and gets homeless and all that different type of stuff. But it doesn't seem like that's the case with Splassive, because they have some cool things that's coming out. And this video isn't to go convince you to go buy in Splassive. I told y'all, I'm giving y'all my thought process on Splassive. Now, they have something called the splash pad. If you're part of Drip, you know the animal farm, you know the Drip garden, you know Drip, all of that. The splash pad, as far as I can understand, is like their version of the Drip garden. Once you click the splash pad, it says this is only a preview. Splash pads are not launched yet. Obviously, we just press OK, and we can see what the heck is going on in here. This is the splash pad. It will be exactly how it'd be for the animal farm. I mean, the Drip garden. Sorry, except the Drip garden pays out, I believe, 3% every day, and this would only pay out 2%. If we click to how it works, you will deposit your Splash USDT tokens, create those into liquidity pair tokens. Then you would put it in here, and you'd be able to get 1% daily minimum. But if you keep compounding for 1 week, then it'll be 2% daily. Or if you keep compounding or just keeping your money in there for the second week, you will get 3% daily, and it's maxed out either 3% daily until you kind of claim. So once you claim, it gets resetted back to this 1% daily. Then you can keep holding it for 2% daily. Whatever it is to you, honestly, it's completely up to you. But it's up to 3% daily. So that's actually a very interesting idea, because for Drip, it does not even work like that. Like it's not like a whole tiering system, as in 1 week you claim and you'll get 2%, 3%, whatever it is. It's just a stuck number, which I guess can be good and bad. So it's just another aspect of Splash Pads. Like I said, it's really like a copy and paste of Drip. So I'm curious to see how it's going to go moving forward. I'm going to keep my eyes on it the next couple of weeks. If I see it kind of pumping back up, I might throw a little more money in there. You know what I'm saying? I might go call up Coinbase and be like, you could transfer the funds now. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to put it in here. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not 100% sure yet. But there are a couple other things that they have coming out as well. If we go to their Twitter right here, I highly suggest, if you guys are in Splassive, or if you're thinking about getting in Splassive, I'm not saying you should go get in Splassive. I'm not saying anything. Do whatever the heck you want to do with your own money. It's your money. You know what I'm saying? But if it is interested to you at all, I highly suggest you guys go on their Twitter and kind of read through all these different forums. This was their relaunch plan, if you want to read through that as well. But this is their most recent tweet that they put out. They were kind of talking about certain key features in here that they're added, like something called the lake, which is kind of for people like me or influencers, whatever it is. It allows a simple way for people to get onto your team. You would just really like fill out your information. You can read through all this if you want. But yeah, so that's another feature, a cool feature that could be coming out in Splassive. Another feature that could be coming out in Splassive is, well, it's not fully out yet, but the splash pad. I just kind of went over that with you guys. Like I said, it is not fully launched yet. I think it's going to launch sometime next week. And they also, somebody told me about another cool feature, which I don't know if I can say yet, because it was kind of somebody that was like, not really on, I don't know if they're on the team or whatever, but I haven't seen no tweets about it or people talking about it, so I don't know if I can say that, and I don't want to kind of blow their thing up, but it seems pretty cool too. So yeah, that's really about it. This is kind of my update on Splassive. My thought process moving forward now is, like I said, just sit on my hands. You know what I'm saying? Straight sit on them. I'm not finna move. I'm not finna sell. I'm not finna buy. We just gonna sit and watch. I'll probably actually go claim this money inside the tap and airdrop it to the people on my team. because it's better than it just like kind of stacking up and doing absolutely nothing for me. So I'm gonna do that in a second. They have a cool tool down here on Drip. You have to like send it one by one by one by one. Splassive, you can do it all at one time, so that's another cool feature. But I did talk to Forex Shark on the AMA. He said they were gonna start offering something like that too. So once that is activated, it'll be a lot easier for me to airdrop this money, because I'll be airdropping thousands of dollars to y'all every single week on my Drip team. Yeah, that's really about it, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Are you guys on Splassive? Did you get in Splassive when I talked about it? Are you mad at me? Do you want to find me? Do you want to take my do-rags away from what's up, man? Let me know in the comments down below. If you're bullish on Splassive, let me know too, because I'm curious. You know what I'm saying? I'm curious to see other people's thought processes behind Splassive. How do you think their V1 to V2 migration went? How do you think them recovering from the X point went? Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, that's about it though. Before you hop out, make sure you hit the link inside my description to go get your free copy of the ebook. You know what I'm saying? Some valuable information, some great information. It's very short read as well, so you won't be spending 50 million hours reading the fire book written by yours truly. But yeah, that's about it. Good luck on all your crypto. Good luck on all your Splassives. Good luck on all your drips. Good luck on your mama. Good luck on your grandma. Good luck on your father. Good luck on life as a whole, man. And I'm gonna see you on the next video.